What's going on, Phenoms? Here's another video that takes place in my local community. Here are some games displayed throughout a day in paradise with the Phenoms of Ridgecrest Airsoft group. These games are displayed through a dual point of view experience from myself and Brian the Dirty Civilian. We are on opposite teams throughout this video. This video has quite a bit of action, lighthearted fun, and even some painful outcomes. So kick back and enjoy what's in store. If you enjoy the content, please be sure to like and share the video. If you would like to support the channel, then feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a beat. Like always, I hope you are all doing well, and I'll see you all on the field very soon.
Contact on the right.
I need to come on the left. Bring it back down there.
That was a gun hit. Oh, what? Oh shit, you didn't even shoot. Oh, freaking got me. Good job. God damn it, Brian. Why are you scaring me? Which way? Who's behind me? We got one more guy behind this rock on my left. One more. Right behind it. You got him? Yeah. That's it then. There's more guys up top. Bring it up to the flag. I don't know if that's everybody. Top! Top of Overwatch! Oh shit. Top! Top! Ow, my knees! Top! Top! Top right! Top right boulder! Very top! Last one! Last one! Circle him out! Hit! Ow! Hit!
What a guy. I gave you a sight protector and you shot my other new one out.
I didn't put it on, you can take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Thank you, sir. He's on top on Overwatch. Ow!
Hey guys, I'm gonna countdown.
You know what? Do you want to see it? Sure, if you don't mind me looking at it. Yeah, no, go. It's in the creeper van. You can't miss it. That's your van. Hey, hey.
Tell him to get in the creeper van.
I'm out of.
Alright, we're counting down. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15 minutes, go!
We need to secure position on this flag before we plant it.
We've got fire on the broad right side.
Bill's backing up.
He's back down.
Roger.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, hop right here.
He moved! One's up!
Gauge up!
Jesse, get a sight line. Okay. Hit! Hit!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Grab me.
1.
Oh, hit! Sorry, you okay? Oh, hit! Hit! Medic! Medic! Hit!
Alright.
Brian, are you okay, buddy?
I
think so.
That's good. Ow, shit.
It got me good, though.
Sorry. That was nice. I caught 4 straight to the bus.
Brian, I'm sorry, bud. It's all good, bro. I'm down!
Oh, fuck, I'm hit!
Medic! Remember, everyone is a medic!
Pick out your gun, I'm gonna drag you.
Medic!
1, 2, 3, 4,
Behind
5.
you. Behind you, we got 2 guys over here.
Get him.
Medic! Okay. We got a sniper up in the Alamo. Got a sniper up in Overwatch. We got someone right here. Good hit. Moving on your right.
I can see his head.
Hit Tony on the left. Two, three, 4, 5. He's on our right by the cars.
Yeah, I see him.
Oh, sorry.
Did you get him?
I got him.
Got a little one over here. Be careful with him.
Sorry about that, bro.
Oh, you're alright, brother.
Where'd Tony go? Where's Tony?
Everyone! That's game, everybody's down!
Did I?
Yeah, you got me good, man.
Help me up. Oh, thanks, bro.
For sure.
You got me right here, dude.
Oh, man. Pilot to extract! Hit! Medic!
Ah, you got me. Good hit.
Careful, you're the pilot. You're fucking crazy.
You go.
Okay, 1, 2. We gotta protect you. We gotta protect you.
Go with the.
Okay, go. Down to that big rock down there. When you're down there, we gotta put the timer on. Go, Ben, go!
Everybody move back!
Start the time! You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Start the timer.
You started it? Yeah. Cover, get down. Get down! He's coming down from top. Guys, Josh, set up a perimeter on the right side. Set up a perimeter over on the right. Got him. One down. Top! Oh shit! Oh, that was it. That was a hit. 2, 4, 5. He's on your. He's over here. He's over here on your left on the top. You'll see him. He's okay.
Right.
Oh, that's the bias.
Top, top left. Oh, I'm hit somehow.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. I don't even know. No, I didn't get hit. Did I get hit? Did you see anything? No. Right up top. Keep going. Center. Oh, okay. You all right? Your dad's up here.
Yeah, over here.
I got left. Woo! I tried to keep it off the head, but sorry.
Oh, hit!
Oh, hit! Ha ha! Finally! 3, 2, 1. Got him.
Nobody?
Oh, really? Did you get sprayed?
Yeah! The fuck was that shit, dude?
You got it.
I get one shot off.
David had the plank, so.
Yeah.
Fucking Gage just nailed him.
Shot, bro.
Launcher again? Sure.
I get one.
Oh, is you killed him?
I killed him. He's like, what the hell? I just got sprayed.
You guys loaded up?
Oh my god, right in the fucking jump.
He won!
Oh, that might
No,
not even.
no, that was over there. That was over there.
I'm not sure though.
No one. Oh wait, what? You're hit?
Ah, I guess game.
Yeah, no, he's dead. Ah. Ow, who shot me in the arm? Ah, was that you?
Probably me, bro.
Hey,
All right,
you didn't
that's
bring
it, that's it, that's it.
donuts, I wouldn't be laying here.
That's it.
No, I don't know.
All right, so far so good. I got hit in the back of the tricep.
Sure, Cuba didn't shoot you?
You know what? Did you shoot me? I got shot in the back, like right here. But I was like this, so it's possible.
The BB's still stuck in there. Oh, nasty.
For real?
Oh. Oh, it was. It just fell. I just saw it.
Oh.
Am I bleeding? I'm bleeding. I think I'm bleeding then.
Kiss it. Double win.
Oh yeah, dude.
It was in my skin.
I think you nice shot there.
You shot me in the back of the arm.
The BB I just saw it fall.
Oh, that's
That shit was stuck in my arm. Would be a nice.
Flex at him, bro.
Well, I called it.
real David goes.
If you ever eat my donuts again. Alright?
Shit. Don't feel bad, Keith. Don't feel bad, dude.
And when you're like this and you're trying to revive this shit,
Don't feel bad. I don't care. I really don't care. I'll take it.
Hey, I'll fucking go in front of you.
I want to shoot you in the neck. No.